interpretive listening.
And now we want to review a video about technology and climate change. So let's start!
Hi guys, I will review about the culture context of the first material it called Tetris. Have you ever felt that sinking anxiety when the Tetris blocks pile up too fast? So now we're going to look at how the Earth is playing a grand game of Tetris and our block pile is reaching the critical limits. Okay, the first one is science made simple. The use of the Tetris analogy shows a cultural effort to make complex scientific problems like the carbon cycle easy and accessible for everyone, promoting environmental literacy. The second is confronting our history. It reflects a current cultural reckoning with the Industrial Revolution legacy, highlights that the progress and economic growth from using fossil fuels now causes a planetary crisis that must be paid for. The third is the urgency of pop culture. By comparing the crisis to a game of Tetris, the video leverages a globally known cultural reference to create a sense of immediate snare urgency. The clock is ticking and the game can't be reset. Thank you.
Okay, I will continue about the facts and the opinion. Okay, the first fact is they enter the atmosphere as carbon dioxide gas from volcanoes, decaying plant matter, breathing craters, and the surface of the sea. The second fact is since 1750, the amount of the carbon in the atmosphere has increased by 40%. And the third fact is when the carbon dioxide is in the air, it traps a portion of the sun's heat which would otherwise escape to the space. And the last fact is the extra carbon dioxide in the atmosphere causing polar ice caps to the melt, and the more they melt, the less sunlight they're able to reflect, making the ocean warm even faster. And the last opinion. The first opinion is there's a game of Tetris happening on a global scale. The second opinion is unlike in Tetris, we won't get an opportunity and to start over and try again. The last opinion is natural ecosystem are disrupted and the weather becomes more extreme over the time. Maybe just enough. Thank you.
Okay, I want to deliver the main idea of the second material. The main idea of this video is phenology, which is of the study of natural timing, such as when the flowers bloom, birds migrate, or season change. It is very important to understand how climate change affects the rhythms of nature. The speaker explained that global warming has this type of the timing of the Earth's natural events. For example, some flowers bloom earlier, but the increase of birds that depend on the might not be ready. This creates an imbalance in the ecosystem. Okay, next, the implicit meaning. The implicit meaning of this video is not only about plants or animals changing their timing, but about how the humans have changing the rhymes of natural results. It means that climate change doesn't just make the earth hotter, it makes time safe for living things. For example, flowers might bloom earlier, but increase that depend on them may not be ready. This shows that everything is natural is connected. So, the implicit meaning of this video that humans are only changing the temperature of the earth, but also changing timing of life itself. By describing natural rhymes, we are also describing our earth future, because everything is natural is connected. This means that climate change is not just about the weathers. No, it's about how our action affect plants, animals, and even humans' life. The video reminds us to pay attention to small change in nature because there are things of something bigger happen to our planet.
In the video Climate Change, Earth's giant game of Tetris, the speaker shows a serious yet creative attitude toward global warming. By comparing carbon emissions to blocks in a Tetris game, the video reflects a thoughtful and responsible view, reminding us that where every action has consequence. The tone is educational and slightly urgent, encouraging viewers to realize the real impact of human activity on the planet. Although it warned about the dangers of climate change, it still carries an optimistic message that we can change the outcome if we act together.
Okay guys, I will explain the conclusion. Both videos remind us that climate change is a serious problem caused by human actions. We must act quickly and work together to protect our planet. Small changes like saving energy, planting trees, and reducing waste can make a big difference. If we don't act now, the future of our Earth and the next generations will be at risk. Thank you.